Look, if you think you're a carnivore, I need you to try something for me. Go outside, find a squirrel, now eat it raw, with your face. No tools, no fire, no knives, just pure National Geographic energy. Go on, I'll wait. See the problem? Real carnivores don't need marinades, barbecue rubs, Traeger grills, and 3 YouTube tutorials just to choke down a dead bird. A lion doesn't say, hold on, let me baste this zebra in teriyaki real quick. Humans don't have claws, flesh-tearing teeth, or the stomach acid of a sewer demon. We have blunt fingers, weak jaws, and a digestive system built for plants. That's why fiber heals us and meat gives us heart disease. Ask Dr. Esselstyn, Dr. Ornish, Dr. Greger, Dr. Campbell, Dr. Barnard, and every actual nutrition expert not on the payroll of Big Bacon. But sure, Chad, keep telling me your air-fried Tyson nuggets make you a carnivore.